It only takes 11 days. 11 days. That's it. Just 11 days to completely unfuck your life. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you it's not only possible, it's simple? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Imagine this. In less than 2 weeks, you could go from feeling stuck, overwhelmed, and frustrated to taking full control of your life. Sounds too good to be true. Trust me, it's not. I've been where you are, waking up every day wondering why nothing's working, feeling like life is just one endless grind. But here's the truth. You have the power to change it all, and it starts with just 11 days. Day 1 to 3. Getting your mind right. The first 3 days are all about your mindset. Think of your brain like a cluttered room, full of negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, and toxic noise. You can't build a better life if your mind is a mess. So, we're cleaning it out. Here's what you'll do. Write in a journal every morning. Meditate for just 10 minutes. Practice gratitude. These small actions will declutter your mind and set the foundation for everything else. By day 3, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and ready to take on the world. Day 4 to 7. Creating healthy habits. Now that your mind is clear, it's time to take action. Days 4 to 7 are about your body. You can't expect to feel amazing if you're treating your body like a garbage can. So, we're making small, sustainable changes. Start with 30 minutes of movement a day. Walk, dance, stretch, whatever feels good. Swap out processed junk for real. Nourishing food. Drink more water. Your body is a machine, and it's time to treat it like one. By day 7, you'll feel energized, focused, and ready to level up. Day 8 to 11. Take bold action. Here's where most people give up, but not you. Days 8 to 11 are about stepping into your power. You've cleared the mental fog. Your body's feeling strong. Now it's time to take bold action. The transformation. So, are you ready to stop waiting for the perfect moment? The perfect moment is now. 11 days. That's all it takes to unfuck your life. No excuses. No more wasting time. Just action. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to take control. Drop a comment below with Day 1 if you're starting today. Let's do this together. 11 days. Your time to unfuck your life.